In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post a manual journal in Zoho Books. Let's start by navigating to the Zoho Books dashboard. Once you're there, you'll want to look for the Accountant tab, which is typically easy to find along the main menu. Clicking on Accountant opens up some options crucial for managing your business finances. Next, you'll need to click on Manual Journals. This is where you can begin the process of manually inputting your journal entries, a key task for keeping your accounts accurate and up to date. Now, let's click on New to start creating a new manual journal entry. By opening this new entry page, you'll be ready to provide all the necessary details for a proper journal entry. At this point, you should choose the date for your journal entry. Selecting the correct date is important as it ensures the transaction reflects accurately in your records for the intended time period. With the date set, go ahead and type in your journal notes. These notes can be brief, but they should provide sufficient detail to explain the purpose of your entry for future reference. Next, choose a reporting method option that aligns with your business needs. This could vary within different organizations, but is essential for internal reporting processes. Now, it's time to select an account from your chart of accounts. Make sure to choose the appropriate account to reflect the nature of the transaction accurately. After selecting the account, enter a description for the transaction. This description can provide additional context and is valuable for future audits or reviews. Then, select a contact, if applicable, to associate the transaction with a particular vendor, customer, or employee, thereby enhancing your business relationship tracking. Moving on, select a transaction type that best describes the nature of the financial activity. Then, choose a tax if your entry involves tax implications. This is particularly important for maintaining compliance and ensuring accurate reporting to tax authorities. Now, proceed to input debits and credits as per the transaction. This ensures that your accounts remain balanced, with debits equaling credits, which is a cornerstone of double-entry bookkeeping. Finally, once all this information is carefully entered, click on Save and Publish to finalize the journal entry. This step confirms the creation of your manual journal entry and integrates it into your financial records in Zoho Books. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to posting a manual journal in Zoho Books. Following these steps assures your business's financial integrity and accuracy. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.